Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a diecast set from Maisto. This one is part of their mini work machines line, and as you can see it is a tractor with a trailer, and it's Massey Ferguson. I did make a video on just the tractor, and I will try to put the link up here sometime in this video, but it looks like a nice set. Let's open it up and see what other details we can find. So here is the set out of its box. As you can see, it's a tractor, a trailer. It has hay on it. So let's start with this hay. You don't normally see this on casting, but there is a roll of hay, and you've got 3 rolls of those which can be removed. I'm glad they are not fixed. So if you want to put something else on the trailer, you can do that too. Since trailer doesn't have that many details, let's start from that. So this trailer has 4 wheels, you can see, and also got a bar in the back, I think, which also has the tail lamps in there, or maybe the tail lamps are down there too. I'm not sure. It's a flatbed, obviously. It's open on the sides, so you can load hay and other stuff in the farm. It's plastic based. The base is also plastic, so none of them are like metal or anything. There are some other small details, like on the wheel you can see it's trying to mimic a steel wheel, and kind of looks good. Also got a mud flap in the back, and then there are some, I think, those stoppers when you park it. So those are there down on the sides. I think that's all for the trailer. Doesn't move or anything, it's fixed. Yes. So let's move to the tractor. It's a Massey Ferguson, as you can see, and has got some good details. Like up front you've got the headlamp, you've got the Massey logo. I think this is for putting some counterweight when you're trying to move heavier things, I guess. It has got an enclosed cabin, which has got seat inside and other controls. Also got the steps on the side to climb. Tires look good. They look like what you see on the actual tractor. You've got the exhaust, single exhaust here. You also got these, I won't say these are mud flaps, these are more like mud guards or wheel liner. No, not the wheel liner, but more like mud guards. So you've got that. Again, Massey Ferguson written on this side too. You also got steps on this side. I don't think those are lights. Might be lights on the top on the side. Apart from that, so tail lamps should be here. Again, because it's all red, so you can't really tell the difference. And you got attachments for adding, different accessories, or farm tools actually, not accessories. And this is where the trailer hooks. Yeah, some good details on it. Looks alright. Yeah, let me show you how the tractor hooks. So it just goes in there. That's it. Alright, should you get it? Depends. If you like tractors, or if you're into dioramas, taking pictures too, this will make a good addition to that. Or if you generally just want to have some, variation or variety in your collection, then it looks good. You can use the trailer with different tractors too, right? Well, that's what I think. Let me know what you think about this. Do you like having different stuff in your collection, or do you just stick with some particular cars? Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.